Cause I got upset and what you think is funny. Tell y'all get the dick and turn into a zombie. It's funny again.
How to make a gacha brat. First blonde pink hair. Why but it's so. Then the damn long hair like that princess. Now the makeup. Then don't forget the princess clothes. And the diamond eyes butts again. The accessoires don't forget it. And that accessoires again, but now better I guess. And she need be mean like this.
Hey, wanna be friends?
No, shut up loser, I'm rich, you will just use.
OMG, she need be shut up if she know my life at Turkey is.
Baba Booey.
All over